As the holiday season approaches, it's time to think about gifts that will truly delight your loved ones. Let's dive into some must-have items on Amazon that are sure to bring joy this year. First up, consider the Instant Pot. This versatile kitchen gadget has taken the culinary world by storm. It's a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, and more, all in one. Perfect for busy families or anyone who loves to cook but doesn't have hours to spend in the kitchen. Imagine whipping up a delicious meal in a fraction of the time. Plus, it's great for meal prepping, making it a thoughtful gift for anyone looking to eat healthier in the new year. Next, let's talk about smart home devices. The Amazon Echo Dot is a fantastic choice. It's compact, stylish, and packed with features. From playing music and setting reminders to controlling other smart devices in the home, it's like having a personal assistant at your fingertips. It's especially great for tech enthusiasts or anyone looking to simplify their daily routine. For the book lovers in your life, the Kindle Paperwhite is a game changer. With its glare-free display and adjustable warm light, it feels just like reading a physical book, but with the convenience of carrying an entire library in one device. It's perfect for those long holiday trips or cozy nights by the fire. Plus, with Kindle Unlimited, they can explore countless titles without breaking the bank. Now, if you're shopping for someone who enjoys a good laugh, consider a subscription to Amazon Prime. Not only does it offer fast shipping, but it also includes access to a vast library of movies, TV shows, and exclusive content. It's the gift that keeps on giving, providing entertainment throughout the year. For the fitness enthusiasts, the Fitbit Charge 5 is a fantastic gift. This sleek fitness tracker monitors heart rate, sleep patterns, and even stress levels. It's a great motivator for anyone looking to stay active during the holiday season and beyond. Plus, it's stylish enough to wear every day, making it a practical yet thoughtful present. And let's not forget about the kids. The LEGO Classic Bricks and Eyes set is a fantastic way to spark creativity. With endless building possibilities, it encourages imaginative play and keeps little hands busy for hours. It's a gift that promotes both fun and learning, making it perfect for children of all ages. For those who love to pamper themselves, consider a luxurious weighted blanket. These blankets provide comfort and relaxation, helping to reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality. It's a cozy gift that's perfect for snuggling up during the colder months. Lastly, if you're looking for something unique, consider a personalized photo book. With services available on Amazon, you can create a beautiful keepsake filled with memories. It's a heartfelt gift that shows you care, perfect for grandparents, parents, or anyone who cherishes their memories. So, as you prepare for the holiday season, keep these fantastic gift ideas in mind. From tech gadgets to cozy comforts, there's something for everyone on Amazon. Happy shopping!